Byadgi Chilli. Byadgi chilli is a very famous variety of chili grown in the Haveri district in the Indian state of Karnataka. The name Haveri is derived from Kannada word which means place of snakes. Haveri is very famous for cardamom garland. The place Byadgi is originally known as Byadara village. Byadgi chili comes in two types, Dabbi and Kaddi. Dabbi is a small and plump and is more popular for its color, flavor and taste. It has more seeds and less spice than Kaddi, while Kaddi type is gnarled, thin, long and has fewer seeds. An oil, ole resin, extracted from Byadgi chili is used for preparation of nail polish and lipsticks. It is also known for its deep red color and is used in many food preparations of South India. Ole raisins are not only useful with edible goods. Their consistency, subtle flavors, and scents make them perfect for use in cosmetics and fragrance.